Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. I wanted to pop on with a quick video because the team added a great new addition to the mood board software within Design Files, and I just wanted to make sure that you're aware of it. So if you are creating mood board designs like this right here, and you just wish you had access to a library of graphic elements that you could use to enhance your mood board designs, then I've got great news for you because that's now available within Design Files. So over here in the right side panel, if you jump down to the text and now our new visual elements library, you're going to click into here and you'll see that you can browse all the different text options. But now you also have your visual elements library over here. And it's loaded with a variety of different graphic elements that you can use to enhance your mood board designs. So for instance, let's say that you wanted to use arrows to indicate which fabric you want to use on which products. You can now choose from a number of different arrows. There's also push pins that you can use. So if you want to make it look like you've pinned the fabric to the board, then you can do that. There's graphic elements and divider lines, and you can just have a quick browse through here to see all the different elements that are available to you that you can now incorporate into your design boards. And we'll just keep adding to this library. So be sure to let us know if there's certain graphic elements that you would like to see added in. Now, the other thing that I wanted to mention is that if you do choose to create more of a full room design like this, the visual elements library can also help you out because in it, you're going to find that it also includes a perspective grid, which I've already actually dragged out onto my design board here. So let me just bring it forward. Now, the cool thing about using the perspective grid is that if you are creating more of a full room design, this is going to make it really easy for you to distort the items on the side walls to make sure that you are getting your perspective perfect. So you can drag it out onto your design board. You're just going to line it up so it's working with the angle of your empty room image. And then what you want to do is you're just going to push it all the way to the bottom and bring it forward a couple of layers so it's kind of in front of the empty room image but behind all of your products. Then you can use that. I'll just click on this particular curtain right here. And if I want to distort this so that it's working with the same angle of the room, I'm going to pop over to the distort button and I'll just use this option right here to distort this. And I'm basically going to use this grid as my guide. So I'm going to pull this all the way down here, pull this down as well, work along the edges of the guide here. So I'm just using these lines as my guide. And then I'll be able to make sure that I'm distorting this so that it looks like it's working perfectly within the space. When I'm all set and done, I can just click on that perspective grid and we'll just push it back so I can see a nice clean view of the room. And if I'm happy with it, great. I could go ahead and save this. I could remove the perspective grid layer and then send this design off to my client. So there you have it. Definitely check out the Visual Elements library. It's going to be a tremendous help to you whether you're creating full room designs where you can use that perspective grid, or if you just want some more graphic elements that you can use to build into your mood board designs to level them up a bit more, then you should find loads of different elements in here. And like I said, let us know if there are any sort of additional images that you would like us to include. We're going to be adding more and more to this as we move forward. So check it out when you have some time. And as always, let us know what you think. Thanks so much for watching.